Step 4 is to read and analyze the documents. You are going to analyze several primary and secondary source documents. Remember that primary source documents are those that are directly from a source. Secondary source documents are those types of documents that are secondhand information. You are going to study each document and answer the questions that follow it. You'll highlight or underline important pieces of the documents that you might want to use, and then you will consider how the documents might shed light on the conditions in the country today. Then you're going to look back at your essay question, your sentence of understanding, and your organizational topics. And then you're going to label the documents, or you will sort the information back into those same 3 categories that you had when you did step 3 in organizing your background information. If you want to see an example how one student analyzed and organized the information, you can see step 4 on Kaya's essay sheet, which looks like this. You're going to get in this lesson some documents to analyze. There will be different types of documents. You'll need to figure out what kind of document it is. So for Kaya's example, which again is completely different than what you're working on, she has a document here that looks like a poem, and then there are questions that she had to answer about that document. Then she had another document which was a speech. She read the speech and then she answered questions about the speech. Then she had a graph. She studied the graph, then she answered the questions about the graph. Document 4 for her was a political cartoon. She answered questions about the political cartoon. Okay, so that is very similar to what you will be doing in your OMHS. And it looks like this. It even tells you what it is. Document 1 is an autobiography. You are going to read through this and then you will answer the questions. You can either print this out or you can type it on your screen. You can download a copy of it and then type it on your screen. Then document 2 is an engraving, which is like a picture. Again, looking at what kind of document it is, when's it produced, so you'll be able to find dates, who the audience was, who do you think they were trying to communicate this to, what's it show. Then document 3 are some paintings. Questions to answer. Document 4 is another painting. Questions to answer. Once you finish, you will come back to your organize page and you will add any additional information from those primary and secondary sources. If you get stuck on evaluating your primary sources, there is an answer key. But if you're going to use the answer key, you need to highlight information, read it, and make notes so that you understand what it is that you are looking at so that you can add it to your organized information page.